Whether you are running agency, freelancing, coaching, or any kind of service sector, you know how difficult it is to generate a steady flow of leads in your business. The market has completely changed. The competition has got way too much higher. People are having various options in the market, right? And even if you have 10 clients in your business today, there is various chances that 3 or 4 people can leave you midway. That is the harsh reality of the market. That's why generating leads in your business isn't just a skill, it's an actual survival. And in this video, I am going to showcase you 5 ways that I use to generate leads and you can also use to generate leads for your business. The first website which I personally use for getting leads for my business is Manta. This is an American US data directory for businesses who are listed on this platform. Like for example, if you are a freelancer agency owner, you can search here restaurants, you can type the city like New York and get directly searches. This is an absolutely great service the Manta is giving. This gives you address, mobile number, website. You can directly pitch your services to them, right? Click here to continue. You get, this is an issue which Recline Restaurant is having with the website. You can check these all of the leads. If you are a service provider for your business, this website is a great tool. In like also when you serve down, you get around 29,885 results of matching restaurants in New York, right? So you get mobile number, you get website address, you get, even though you get address. So this is the perfect thing what a freelancer will actually need, or freelancer or an agency owner will actually need to pitch their services. If they're having their own website, like I'm trying this this Pies and Thighs is having their own website, so you can get their mail IDs in the website and you can directly go and pitch them for your service. For example, if you are a website designer, you can directly go there and pitch there for service of your website, because this is an absolute bad website if I comment on this. So this is Manta, number 1 for US directory for finding out the leads. Okay, so number 2 comes Yellow Pages and Just Dial. They actually works similar by similar. On India, if like you want salon and you have chose the location of Hyderabad, you can just search on Yellow Pages and you get a number of salons which are listed in Hyderabad, right? So you get their number, their address, as well as all the essential details that will require for you to reach out to them. And alongside there is Just Dial. Like for example, again we are searching for real estate agents. You get their address, mobile number as well as WhatsApp number, right? This Just Dial is an business listing platform, but this can be used for generating leads as well. Like you can get their mobile numbers and you can directly reach out to them, and this is a very essential tool for finding leads for your service providing business. So third method for finding out leads is Google Maps. This is an absolute wonderful platform which I have been personally using, and this is my personal favorite how to find leads. For example, for freelancers out there of video editors and graphic designers, they can search marketing agencies USA, and you can directly pitch them for collaboration, or out there you can ask them freelance work, and this you get direct websites, you get directions, you get mobile numbers, each and everything. Like yes, you can reach out them for your services. And also for bringing this all data out into a sheet, there is a data scraper which is called as instant data scraper, which I personally use to extract data from Google Maps, right? And to extract the complete data, go and watch this video. I have definitely and prepared in a detailed way. The link is out in the description. You can check that video out. So fourth method to find out leads is Growman. Actually, this tool is an extension which I personally use to find many leads in Instagram. For example, your competitor out there, you can actually extract the email IDs from the followers and you can actually pitch them, and this is actually great stuff, right? So to download this particular Growman extension, you have to go to Chrome Web Store and search for Growman. And this is the email. This is an actual email extractor from IG, and you can go and directly install this and add to Chrome, right? And to check how to use Growman, you can go and check this video out there which I have already made and the link is in the description. This is a good tool to find the emails and you can cold email them. The fifth and the most important platform is Quora. Most of the people think Quora is just a platform to read and know about knowledge. Yes, it is, but for it can be used to generate leads as well. I'll tell you how. So first and foremost, you can come to your profile. You can update your profile in such a way that you know about various topics. For example, if you are freelancer and knows video editing, you can go and search video editing, right? You can go video editing. There are various followers, right? And you can go into this particular topic and see what people are usually asking questions. Like, yeah, what are the best tools for making a thumbnail for a YouTube? Yeah, maybe, yeah, it is a question of that. You can go answer their questions in the comment section. And what you can do is you can drop off your email or a contact number through which they can probably reach you out back. So this is a method to generate leads and build yourself as an authority, right? And don't forget to mention your email and contact number because that will actually bring you leads. Yeah, but the thing is, leads alone don't just make money. You have to make your leads, convert them into high paying clients. There are two methods which I use to make my leads into my high paying clients. Number one is cold email and second is cold calling. These are the two methods which are used widely in the market to convert leads into clients. And if you want to master these both skills, I have made dedicated videos about these skills and the link is in the description. You can check that video to master your skills to convert leads into high paying clients.